Carbon was introduced in the late 1990s as a replacement for the classic Mac OS's aging programming APIs. The classic Mac OS was a popular operating system for Apple's Macintosh computers in the 1980s and 1990s, but it was not designed to handle the demands of modern applications. The classic Mac OS's programming APIs, which were used to build applications, were also outdated and did not provide a modern programming model. To address these issues, Apple developed Carbon as a new programming framework that could be used to build applications for both macOS and classic Mac OS. Carbon was based on C and C++, two popular programming languages that were widely used at the time. It provided a set of APIs that allowed developers to write applications that could run natively on both macOS and classic Mac OS. Features of Carbon programming language.